In this clip we'll be going over how to steam corn.
Okay, now we're gonna steam some corn. Corn is really good for steaming because boiling it takes a long time, and then it spends all that time in the water, so the water actually sogs and gets into the corn itself. And then I've tasted a lot of people's corn that wasn't fully cooked. Steaming just takes care of that easy. Okay, so let's steam some corn. Okay, so you have your water here. Turn on the stove. Then you add your strainer here. Put in your corn. Add the lid. And that's okay, so we're back in 15 to 20 minutes later. Your corn is done.